Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Studios, and today we're going to talk about the YouTube Authority. This is a great new ebook, and I'm going to put a link in the description below so you can start your own YouTube channel for your business or brand or whatever you're trying to promote and be successful at it. Anyone can start up a YouTube channel, but it takes a little bit of knowledge to get a big successful channel. You can see here I am a YouTube authority. 100,000 subscribers, 100,000 subscribers. I have literally over a dozen channels. Trying to balance this. I just have to set it down. I have over a dozen channels with over 100,000 subscribers, probably more than that. Total subscriber base between 2 and 3 million. Over 1 billion views across those channels. I've got 4 editors that work for me, and I would say I am also a YouTube authority. Now, I read through this book. I read it from cover to cover. 63 pages is all it is. It's a quick read, but it's a good read. It gives you all sorts of good information about growing your YouTube channel, and basically it gives you the basics that you need to know to get started. It's really smart. It's common sense. It's called the YouTube Authority. So let's go ahead and talk about what it takes to be a successful YouTuber. While I try to get this to balance up behind me again. I need to get something to let that balance a little better. There we go. So YouTube is a finicky creature. It's always changing. Upload process, downloads, you've got comments and cards and tags and thumbnails and all sorts of things, branding and images and colors, everything you need to know, what's going to capture an eye, what's going to bring people to your channel, what's going to make you look more professional versus more fun. You can see I kind of go with the fun aspect here, but you've seen some of our videos that are more professional as well. You've seen me on World's Greatest Animals, which has 136,000 subscribers. You've seen a lot of the people I represent. WWE's Jim Ross is one of the companies that my folks, my team represent. We've got a lot of YouTube channels, and we've done a lot of really cool, neat things, bringing a lot of those people good money. You can make good money on YouTube. It can be a revenue stream. You figure you make $1 or $2 off of 1,000 views, in many cases with monetized videos. Well, you get a channel with 1 billion views, well, you start making some decent money, right? So, the bottom line is that you can make money with YouTube. You can grow your brand with YouTube. You can influence people with YouTube. Justin Bieber got his start on YouTube. A lot of celebrities now are getting their start on YouTube. If you've got a band that you want to promote, start up the YouTube channel. If you've got a TV show or a book or a supplement line, start up a YouTube channel. There's a lot of things you can do, but you need to read the YouTube Authority book. Again, link in the description below to get started. It's absolutely amazing. I'm not going to give away all the tips and tricks. This is a great ebook that's going to get you started on YouTube, okay? So, yeah, I'm a big fan. I was able to quit my corporate job, essentially quit my world in corporate America and do YouTube and Amazon and Facebook and Instagram full time. I started my own company out of it. YouTube 911 Studios is just one small portion of what we do. I'm able to make a living. My best friends, Amy and Watson, are able to make a living off of our YouTube presence. You can too. Get started today. There's a link in the description below. It's absolutely amazing, and this is the best common sense guide to getting started for your brand, for your personal life, for fun, for entertainment, the things you need to do. I started off with social media, just wanting to be on social media, just wanting to create, just wanting to have fun. It turned into a full-time business for me. I wound up making more money doing social media than I did at any job in engineering, environmental, banking than I've ever had in my life, in the military, anything. You can too if you put your brain to it, if you're creative, if you've got a social media presence, grow that social media presence and build your YouTube. Click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe, and you know what? You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.